Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the restore immediately. Open WordPress admin, go to Settings, then Updraftplus Backups. Once there, rescan your remote storage so Updraftplus finds the backup set. If it doesn't, upload the backup. Zip files to wp-content/updraft and rescan. Then click Existing Backups and hit Restore. You do this now because the plugin needs the backup set available before restoring. Make sure to pick the correct dated set. Choosing the wrong one overwrites current site data. Once the Restore dialog opens, you'll see checkboxes for plugins, themes, uploads, others, and database. You should select exactly the components you need. For a full site restore, pick all boxes. Then click Restore and let Updraftplus download and extract each archive. The plugin runs a step-by-step sequence so dependencies restore in the right order. When prompted about replacing the database, confirm only if you want historical content restored. Otherwise, skip database to preserve current data. The plugin shows progress for each component. Once extraction and database operations complete, Updraftplus will finish and remove maintenance mode. You should immediately test the home page, a few posts, media files, and the admin login to confirm everything works. Then re-enable any plugins you temporarily disabled. If something fails, timeouts, or missing files, use the key troubleshooting tip. Upload the backup. Zip files into wp-content/updraft via FTP. Then click Rescan/Existing Backups in Updraftplus and run Restore again. This avoids server time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.